Today I'm going to cover one of the most common problems with Mendeley, which is choosing the right citation style. So I've got a paragraph text I've written for a book chapter, and you can see there's 5 references. This one happens to be written in IEEE format, which is where the first reference is number 1, and we see it here in the list as number 1. This is not what's commonly done for the design field, so normally we choose Harvard. To get to Harvard, all you do in Mendeley is drop down here and you should see something saying Harvard, in this case Harvard reference format 1. Click on that and boom, you are in Harvard referencing format. Now, what do you do if the way Harvard is written here is not the right way for your institution or for your journal? Now, this is very simple. All you do is drop down on your referencing style and click More Styles. You then get a box pop up and you can say Get More Styles. You can then search for your institution. So I'm going to choose Business School. Now, Manchester Business School. So if you are in the University of Manchester, you can click on this one and say use this style. That installs it to your computer. Go to the Install tab and we just select it here. There we are, and click use this style again. And what that does is the second time we select, which is just as we've done, it will appear in your actual document, which is there. Now, if you're writing for a particular journal, so I'm going to choose this one. So this is the Design Journal. I've gone to Information for Authors, zoom right down here to References. This journal uses the Chicago author date reference style. That's very nice. Let's pop back to here. And I'm going to pop down. Now I can see Chicago is there. I can just click on that and boom. Actually, straight away, it's so similar to Harvard. Nothing's changed, but that is Chicago. Another way you can do it is if you know your journal you're writing for, let's say the Design Journal. Oh, there we are. I can then install this. Where it is. Design Studies, the Design Journal. Use this style. So quite often the journal will have a style you can download. So Nature's right above there. Click Done, and that's now in the right format for the Design Journal. But after all, I'm doing something different. So if you're University of Manchester, you might say Manchester Business School, Harvard, and click. You might have to try around with different downloads of different versions of Harvard to find the one which is exactly right. But that is the principle. I hope this has helped you, and from now on you can carry on with perfect referencing.